What's up? My name is Mitchell and welcome back to another video. And today, we are going to build, bang, the DC Comics Superheroes Mighty Micros. I think these are really cool because I always wanted, this kind of Batman, but like the helmet, but it was too expensive in other sets. So it's really cool how they you can actually get the characters you want in the big set. You just have to switch the tiny legs with the big legs. So let's not waste any time and let's get started. Let's dump all of this out. So I think these are all the, I don't know, see a batarang, see, yeah, okay. So, let's get started. Well, guys, this is the Catwoman car. It took way longer than I expected. So here it is. It's really cool. I'm gonna build the Batmobile. Well, it's not a Batmobile. The Bat car in a few, and after this clip. It is very cool. She is stealing a gem and some milk, which I don't know why. And which I really think is cool is that she has this eyes in front of her car and these little speed boosters and her tail. And it's just too cool, too cool. So guys, I'm gonna build the Bat car now. Okay, so we are finally finished. This is Batman's right here. It's really cool. So, yeah. Has fire right here, which is the booster. I love these kind of Batman helmets that doesn't have the bottom. Oh my gosh, I can't touch it. That doesn't have the bottom. So, yeah. And this is what he looks like without the mask. And this is what Catwoman looks like without the mask. Right here. Ugh. There we go. Alright, see you in the next video. Yeah. Oh, wait. Wee! Oh! Wait, hold on. Wee! Oh, no. Oh, wait a minute. Wee! No. Wee! Get back here! Oh, no.